Wait for it. Wait for it. G'day viewers, Chris Atkinson. Welcome back to my channel, The Car Wash Chronicles. It's day number 2 of car wash renovations in beautiful Tucson, Arizona. So what did we do in the last video? We put in a new coin box and we got the soap brush to be coming out perfect by putting up the new low pressure wall mount. So today we're going to put in the rest of the coin boxes and probably the other wall mounts for the tire cleaner and the pre-soak. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that and see how it's coming along. So let's go check it out. Remember these things that we're going to take out, the tire and engine cleaner, in a whole separate meter box for some reason. Let's see. Just about to take this one off. Already unscrewed it all, so there it goes. Bye bye. And for those who are wondering, why would you get rid of the tire and engine degreaser? Well, we're going to put it here, all in the one box. And another thing, when you don't take the faceplate off for a while, all the quarters build up at the back, so it's always good to find extra quarters. So I think it's time to finally take this sign down, tire and engine cleaner in 2 center bays. I hated this sign, so I think it's time for it to go. Just held in by some screws. Took a couple out already, I got a couple to go. And there we have it, end of an era. My pre-soak gun holder, nice and solid, nice and tight. And you can see right here, I just installed the tire cleaners holders, the holders for the tire cleaner. So it's going to lay across here. We're going to get a sign saying tire cleaner right there, and it's as easy as it gets. It's getting connected as we speak. So tire cleaner, degreaser. But next is pre-soak. Pre-soak's the best. So you can see these new lines coming down. We're going to feed them along the beam, and it's going to be awesome. And here we have the tire cleaner hose, which we've connected. There's 2, one's air and one's liquid, just in case you were curious. And that's we put the coil hose there, and then it's gonna sit right here. And that's tire cleaner. We ran the hose along the beam, it's sitting in there nicely, all the way inside to the solenoids. Let me show you exactly where. And you can tell we have one more bay of lights to go. See the difference? A little bit of a difference. Right here, and this is pre-soak, bay 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's bay 4. So we still have all that hosing to do. We're going to do that tomorrow. It's 7 o'clock here. Been here since 7, and a 12-hour day for me is enough. You can see I'm completely filthy because that's what happens when you build car washes. It's fun. So the time has come, the exciting part where we put the coil hose up for the pre-soak. It's all wired. We've run the hose. So let's go ahead and attach it, put some soap in the barrel, and see if it works. This is it. This is the finished product. This is what we built. We put all this together, put that on the wall, ran the hose inside, and just attached this. So I guess that's the moment of truth. There we go, look at that. Alright, so here we go. We're going to turn the water on, should fill up. And there it is, filling up with soap. Here we go, let's go to 30. I can hear it coming out in the bay. And this is the liquid, so now it's mixing. You can see it go through the hoses. Fingers are starting to hurt, but we're almost there. Let's try 70 just to begin with. Let's go out in the bay and see what's going on. All right, look at that. Very nice. Now I'm gonna have to obviously adjust it. I want it to be a lot thicker, probably a little bit too much air. But once the tank fills up with a little more soap, all right, let's see if it thickens up. All right, getting thicker, getting thicker. Yes, right there is pretty good. Taste the soap. But there we have pre-soak. So it's just about time for the tire cleaner. We've just, I ran all the hoses. We wired them up in the bays. All right, now we're gonna make up the tire cleaner. We've got the gun, we've got the brush on the wand and the gun. And now we're attaching the coil hose. As simple as just screwing it in. So let's go connect this into the bay and turn it on. See the tire cleaner coming out. So I put it on tire cleaner, so let's go ahead and turn it on. Alright, so here we give it water. Yeah. Liquid, you can see it running through the pipe. Wait for it. Wait for it. Too much air, I need to turn the air down. So I added the tire cleaner, which is obviously a nice yellow color, or green, whatever your eyes see. We have liftoff. Tank is filling up. And this is the RO system going in for the spot free. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's going to be it for my car wash renovation in Tucson. It's been one hell of a week. 6 days here, 12 to 14 hour days, but we got it done. We renovated the whole car wash in 5 days, and I'm pretty happy about that. So, I mean, mind you, we didn't change out the vacuums, but the vacuums work, so they're fine. The vending machines work. We changed out the mechanical coin mechanism inside, so that's fine. So we didn't build a car wash, but we renovated it. We put in, obviously, the pre-soak and the tire cleaner, which is a pretty timely effort, and we got it all done, so I'm happy about that. Spot free also. Didn't get the air dries, but always next time. Obviously, it's not painted yet. We're gonna paint it. That was the last thing. I never really want to paint it and then do all the work on it, because as soon as you paint it, people think it's done, it's finished, it's under construction. But if they pull in while it's painted brand new and we're still putting things in, things aren't working properly, then they're like, well, you just painted it. Big deal. So I always like to paint it last, then put the signs up and open it. It's good to go. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed my car wash Tucson renovation. We'll see how it goes. I'll keep you guys posted. It should do pretty good. I'm looking to triple the revenue of what it was by adding in all these functions, and that's always the goal. Add in different functions, keep customers in the bays longer, and you double or triple your revenue. So let's see how it goes. Fingers crossed. If not, I'm gonna move over there. Pitch a tent and move over there. And here we have it, the end result. Soap, nice and neat. Low pressure wall mounts, nice and neat. All nice and neat. There's the RO system. New bill changer. Clean as a whistle. But Tucson for now, back to LA.